In this lecture, we are looking into a rather unique grammatical structure in classical Japanese, kakari musubi, literally requiring ending, or we often translate it as a bounded form. In modern Japanese, we still have one word works under this principle, that is, shika nai. Give it a second look at the structure of this expression. You will be able to see the basic feature of the rule we call it kakari musubi. The first example we are seeing here is zo. It requests the declinable at the end of the sentence to conjugate in its attributive form. The main function of this particle is to add a certain nuance of emphasizing in the statement, similarly to wa in today's expression. In the example, kokochi zo suru, it is a stronger expression than kokochi su. Nam has a similar meaning to the previous zo. Similarly, it requests the attributive form to the declinable at the end, again similar to today's wa in the expression. Koso is still used in today's language, and the meaning is generally staying as the same. However, in classical, koso is a typical particle which behaves under the kakari musubi rule, and that part has entirely disappeared today. We now use koso, but it does not affect the conjugation of the declinable at the end. Be aware that different from zo and nam, koso requests the perfective form. To express a question, ka was used in classical as well, but ya had much more examples. Ya is a particle of kakari musubi, and it requests the attributive form to the declinable at the end of the sentence. Last, a friendly note. While the declinable ruled by the particle in kakari musubi comes to the middle of a long statement, it may behave in a way to ignore the principle of the required conjugation. Eventually, this became a part of the reason leads to the weakening of this grammatical expression.